Hi Siva,
Hi Susie.
can you show me how to set up the path and Java home environment variables on a Windows operating system like you promised last time?
Sure. As you can see, I have installed JDK 1.8 in my Windows laptop. Now we will see what happens if we invoke the Java compiler before setting the path environment variable. Let's go to the Windows search box, type cmd. This opens up a command prompt. Let's key in javac and hit enter. So it's throwing an error message. It's not recognizing javac as an internal or external command. Let's close this prompt. Go back to the search box again. This time we are going to set up the environment variable path. Just key in env and select this option, edit the system environment variables. So this opens up the system properties, and under the advanced tab, select the environment variables and click it. Basically, our path variable is one of the system variables. Let's locate the path. Okay, it's right here. It already comprises of several directories, and we need to append our JDK bin directory to the path. I'm going to add a new directory to the path variable and key in the JDK's bin directory over here. Click OK, OK here, and OK one more time. Let's say if an older version of JDK is installed in your machine, then it would take precedence. So to avoid that, let's edit the path variable again. We need to move the JDK bin to the topmost level. We need to move it a couple more times. Okay, so now we have the JDK 1.8 bin as a topmost entry. Even if there are older versions of JDK installed in your system, JDK 1.8 will be the first one to be picked up. So now let's hit OK and close this. Let's go back to the command prompt again. Invoke javac. As you can see, javac is now recognized as a command. Let's try Java. Yep, Java runtime is also working fine. That's how we set the path variable. Now let's again go back to the environment variable window and set up the Java home environment variable. env, edit the system environment variables, advanced tab, environment variables, and under the system variables, we need to create a new system variable. Key in Java _ home, all in uppercase. The value would be, as I mentioned earlier, it should be the JDK's installation directory. Click OK. One more time and OK one more time. So we are all set setting both the path environment variable as well as the Java home environment variable.
If we don't include JDK's bin in the path, the operating system won't be able to find Java compiler or the Java runtime. But what would happen if we didn't set the Java home variable?
That's a good question. So Java-based applications that need the JDK installation directory won't function properly.
Oh, so now the environment variables are making sense to me. Thanks, Siva.
No problem.